Look at my skin, guys. Trust me, it'll make your skin so freaking soft. It literally makes your skin super glowing and bright. Seriously, like amazing, guys. Seriously. Hello my super babies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you 3 ingredients which will lighten your skin, thus getting rid of your tan, pigmentation, discoloration, acne marks, wound marks and make it even tone. Like seriously, it's amazing. It's a homemade remedy which will do wonders for your skin and make your skin even tone. Yeah, that's all. These 3 magical ingredients are very easily available and will do wonders on your skin. So yeah, before we go ahead, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit on that bell so that you get notified as soon as I upload a video. And I have another channel too which is related to lifestyle, travel, food. That is Priyanka George Vlogs. Please subscribe to that channel too. I'm very active on TikTok, very active on Instagram and Facebook. So I wish you check it out. It will mean a lot. All the links will be in the description box. So the first ingredient we need is 2 teaspoons of rice flour. Yes, rice is really amazing for our skin. 2 good babies to brighten the skin, like instant brightness. That happens with rice flour. Like seriously, rice flour is very mild and suitable for all skin types. Then we need to add in enough potato juice. Yes, potato juice, so that you can make it into a nice paste, not very liquidy, not very thick. In between the consistency should be. So say about 1 big tablespoon of potato juice. So how do you get potato juice? Just grate the potato and squeeze it. You can even put in a muslin cloth and squeeze it till you get all the goodness. Potato juice is freaking good for lightening the skin. It is so good for an even toned skin, and it's very good even for sensitive skin. It does not burn your skin as such. Yes, but there's another ingredient which might not suit all of y'all. So yeah, use it as per as your need. If you do not want to use it, don't use it. And yeah, it's okay if you use it because it suited me big time. You need to put in a pinch of baking soda in it, which is really good for skin whitening, many people say. But yeah, for me it is very good to brighten the skin and make it even tone. Now baking soda has its pros and cons, so yeah, you have to decide. I use it, it's okay for my skin. If I have any wounds, cuts, scratches, pimples, I do not use baking soda. So if you're a little skeptical about baking soda, avoid it and just use these 2 ingredients. You still get the result. Baking soda is an extra love, extra goodness. So yeah, so mix all the ingredients super well. The consistency should be like this. So yeah, so let's apply it now. On my face there is moisturizer, there is blush and a lipstick. So I'm going to apply this on a dirty face so you guys can see the difference. On clean face sometimes you guys might not be able to see a difference, but I want you to see it on dirty face. So apply it on dry skin. You can apply this on your underarms, on your neck, on your knees, on your whole body. Just need to apply a thin layer. You don't have to thicken it up. Remaining whatever is left, you can apply it on your neck. If you have pigmentation around your lips, this is really good. So after 5 minutes, my skin is like this. So now I'm not going to massage, nothing. I'm just going to go and wash my face. Damp it with the water and just, it's already damp actually, it's not very dry. And just wash it. I even apply it on my hands. Just check out my skin, guys. It's so freaking soft, very hydrated and super bright. It literally lightens marks and acne marks and discoloration, make it like super bright. Very good to even exfoliate your skin and get rid of blackheads, whiteheads and dead skin. So yeah, apply this. You can apply this twice a week. Ew, skin feels so good. I love it. So I hope you like this video. If you did, don't forget to hit a like. Don't forget to share with your loved ones because you never know who it might help. Women and men, anyone can use this, babies. And I wish you try it because the results are freaking good. So yeah, see you later in another video very soon.